Welcome to Adaptivation's training session on the sequencer. The sequencer is a voice output communication aid that utilizes sequential messaging. It comes in 5 different colors and runs on a 9-volt battery. Before I can begin to show you how to record this device, we need to insert that battery. What we're going to do is remove the battery lid with a screwdriver, and then we're going to turn the device on. If we have a good battery, when I attach it, we're going to hear a beep. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. That means I have a good battery. Here we go. Now, sequential messaging works in that I will record in a series of messages, and with each activation, I will play it back in the order that it will play it back in the order that I recorded. Our sequencer has 2 levels. Each level has 90 seconds of record time. So before I record, I need to decide what level I'm going to use to hold my messages. Our slide switch has play 1, play 2, record 1, and record 2. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to record my messages into level 1. So I'm going to slide my switch to record 1. And then to record, what I'm going to do is press and hold the lid. When it's ready to record, you will hear a beep. Then I can start talking, speak my message, and release. 1, 2, 3. Since I recorded my messages in level 1, I need to go back to play 1 to retrieve my messages. So I slide my switch to play 1. 1, 2, 3. It's as simple as that. With the sequencer, I'm limited by time, not by number of messages that I can record. So for example, I have 90 seconds of record time. I could record 91-second messages. It also has some other features that I want to make you aware of. One of them is the switch jack for external switches. I can plug in any external switch jack or any external switch. I'm plugging in a PAL pad. Now I can activate my messages by touching the switch. 1. People think of using this for someone who can't activate the top of the sequencer, so I might attach a head switch or a puff and sip switch or something like that for access. But I can also use my external switch just for enhancing any activity. For example, adding an object or a picture cue, a large picture cue or a texture to the switch can bring just some creativity to our activity that we're doing. The next jack that we have is our relay jack. The relay jack is for attaching a battery adapted toy, for example. What I need for that is my male-to-male cable connector. I plug one end into the device, the other into my battery adapted item. And now as I activate, my battery adapted item will run for the length of the message. 1, 2, 3. The third jack that we have available is our external speaker jack. And that is, I can plug in an external speaker to increase my volume. 1, 2. This might be used in a noisy classroom activity, a work setting, or just somewhere where I need just a little extra volume. Thank you for watching Adaptivation's training session on the sequencer. I hope you'll check out our website and look at some of the other videos we have available.